Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader, relaxing on a Sunday, just cleaning my cars. I've got a couple of great passions. One is gardening, the other is collecting art, and the other is also collecting exotic automobiles. If you think about it, the life of a trader is unreal in every sense of the word. You know, I get up in the morning, I'm watering my garden, and I'm watching my neighbors go off to work. While I, kind of do webinars and go and play tennis and just watch the money balances go up and down in my account. And, a long time ago, I started realizing that somewhat become disconnected from reality. We see these money balances go up and down in our account. And I remember there were days where I lost $2,000 and I was grateful that I only lost $2,000. And then, I'd make $50,000 and, it would seem okay. But I realized what I had to do was actually equate the value of those dollars. Otherwise, you just become hypnotized by those money balances. After a while, they start meaning nothing. So I remember last year I made about $180,000 in an overnight trade. So I was betting on the earnings of Melica de Libra, a stock with a ticker symbol MELI. I was betting that it would fall from the $330 level, and after the earnings came out, the stock opened at like $300, $30 lower. I made $60,000 on the stock and about $120,000 in the options. And so I immediately went out and just bought this automobile right behind me. It's a Jaguar 35 RT Sport. It's one of the most fun little automobiles that I've ever had. And then I remember another trade where I shorted gold and made about $90,000 and just went out and bought this very rare Camaro behind me. It's a 1LE. It's a very rare model, and I get a lot of enjoyment out of it. But I also kind of equate some kind of value in my account to things that you can touch and feel and have some kind of reality. Having said that, I really don't believe that you should get attached to possessions. Possessions end up possessing you. So I kind of turn over these cars about every 6 months and kind of get something else. But I think it's very important to do things with your money rather than just watch it go up and down and then not have any connection. So I've had an enormous string of great trades since March. I've been trading the Australian dollar short versus the US dollar since about the 7,100 level. This week it went below 6,900. I also advocated getting short at the same time New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. And, since about the 6,800 level, New Zealand dollar has plunged to about 6,500. Recently, last week, I suggested that you start getting short gold despite all the tensions in Iran and the trade war talks and all this nonsense. I think there's something very big going on in gold. So with that said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll speak to you next time. So take care. Bye-bye.